Yo guys, what's up? It's Ricky from Dance is Dope, and today we're doing a beginner b-boy freezes tutorial. Now recently I put out a 10 b-boy freezes in under 3 minutes tutorial. I'll have that linked in the description. Now I know a lot of you wanted me to break a lot of them down, so that's what I'm going to do. So today we're going to break 4 of them down. Today we're hitting a neutral freeze / baby freeze, an actual baby freeze, a shoulder freeze, and a chair freeze. Now the neutral freeze is what most people use as a transition. I just call it a neutral freeze because that's like your starting point, yeah? So you'll be able to learn these freezes real quick, real easy, and we'll get them smashed out today, yeah? So first one is a neutral freeze. Now neutral freeze looks like this. This is what I call a neutral freeze. Now different people might have different names for it. You can also call that one a baby freeze. I just call it a neutral freeze to stop it getting so confusing, yeah? So what you're gonna do with these is make sure you're using your strongest arm. Now for me, that's my right arm, which is this one. If you guys are looking at me, that would look like your left arm. So use what arm you need to use. I'll just call out the opposite of what I'm doing if you're gonna shadow me, but use the arm that you need to use, yeah? So you're gonna bring right or left arm into here. So I'm gonna bring my left arm in. So just shadow me. Bring that hand down. Now the most important thing is making sure that elbow is in your belly button. You want to stick it there. And my right hand is going to come out to the side here. I'm going to put this part of my head down. Not whole face, nothing worse than that freeze. Just that part of your head down. Here. Now you're going to straighten your legs out but keep them on the floor. Just hold it there for now. Get used to that feeling first. Once you do, you can bend your legs up slowly and start to lift your hips, and then your legs will come up. And that's the hold you want to get with your neutral freeze, yeah? So one more time, we will recap all these at the end as well, so make sure you stick along to the end. So, left arm in, elbow to your belly button. If you're doing right arm, that's fine, just switch everything I'm doing. Right arm is going to come out. Now make sure you're leaning on that elbow. Don't be leaning so you're tilted, lean so you're directly over, yeah? Straight line from your elbow to your hand. Now this part of your head comes down, legs come straight out, and that's your neutral freeze. Now if you can bend them knees up and try and get a little hold, yeah? Boom, there it is. So there's your neutral freeze. Freeze number 1 done. Freeze number 2 is your baby freeze. So what we're going to do for this one is you're going to bring your left knee up. You're going to bring your right elbow to the outside of your left knee. If you're doing the opposite side, just switch everything around. Then you're going to bring your left elbow to the outside of your hip. Yeah? So you should have left knee up, right elbow outside of your left knee, left elbow on the outside of your hip. So this position, you see how you've got that line, you've got both your elbows in here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put them hands down like this. Now make sure you are leaning. It's super important, you don't move off your elbows because you are leaning on your elbows. Now all you're going to do here, you want to go into the same point in your head, lean over, head down, legs should come up. And that's your baby freeze. Now you might start to fall out of that one. All that means is your elbows are like this. You want them to be directly over your hands so you've got a nice straight line, yeah? So one more. Bring your left knee up. Bring right elbow to the outside of your knee. Bring left elbow to the outside of your hip. Here, bring your hands down. Now make sure when you tilt over, you've got a straight line from elbow to hands. You're going to tilt, head down, legs up, and get that hold, yeah? There it is. There's your baby freeze. Okay, freeze number 2 done. Freeze number 3 is a shoulder freeze. A couple of ways you can do this one. You can go with your arm in front, or you can go with your arm behind. I'll show you both, yeah? So what we're going to do is you're going to bring your left elbow down. You're going to come forwards onto your left shoulder. You should have your head down. Now keep your knees bent in. Keep your feet close. My right hand is going to come out in front. Now all you're going to do here is kick your feet, and you want them to go directly above this left shoulder here. So you're going to kick feet up directly above that shoulder. Now you can go any leg position you want at all, but that's where you're aiming for. Directly over, yeah? So one more time. So we're going to bring that left elbow down. Come forwards onto left shoulder. Side part of your head down, bring that right hand out, keep these knees bent in because you're going to push off the floor, kick them legs up, directly above your shoulder, and then get any hold you can. Here, 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 and you can go wild from there, yeah? Boom. There's freeze number 3, that's your shoulder freeze. Last freeze we're going to do is a chair freeze, slightly more difficult. So, for this one, you're going to bring your left elbow into your side. Now if you're right-handed, I'd advise you go right elbow with this one, trust me. So, elbow comes directly into your side. You're going to bring that hand down to the side. And I'm going to kick my left foot in front and my right foot back. So I've got left in front, right back, and left elbow in. Right hand is going to come down. Now as I'm going to bring the back of my head down, I want my elbow to go from here, to my lower back, just above your butt. Yeah? So you're here, Got left elbows in, hand down, left foot in front, right foot back, right hand comes down. As you come onto your head, twist that elbow into your back, come to this position. So you should be leaning on your elbow, yeah? Now you're gonna bring your front leg up. So whichever side it is, that's fine. Your front leg is coming up. Left leg up, right hand up. And that is your chair freeze. That's what you're trying to hit, yeah? Good. Now if you're struggling with that, you might need to do some stretches. You do need a little bit of flexibility for that freeze, yeah? Let's go chair freeze one more, and then we'll quick recap them all. So, chair freeze, left elbow in, into your side this time. Left hand down, right hand out. Left foot in front, right foot back. Now as you put your head down, you twist that elbow into your lower back. You should be leaning on that elbow. Bring that front leg up, bring that front hand up, and there is your chair freeze. Easy as that, yeah? Nice. Okay, there is all 4 freezes. So, let's knock them out real quick. First we got our neutral freeze, which was this one. Easy. Second, we got the baby freeze. Bring one knee up, elbow across, both elbows in here, hit that line, hands down, tilt, head down, legs up. There's your baby freeze. Next is that shoulder freeze. So we're gonna bring elbow down, shoulder down, head down, hand out, keep your feet in, kick them up, directly above your shoulder. Nice. And next and last is that chair freeze. So we're gonna bring elbow directly into your side, hand down, other hand in front, left leg in front, right leg back, unless you go on the opposite side. Now as you bring your head down, twist that elbow into your lower back, bring your front leg up, bring your front hand up, and there's your chair freeze, yeah? Nice, okay, so there it is guys, well done. There is 4 beginner b-boy freezes. I will be releasing more tutorials on these freezes, and I'll be giving you some intermediate advanced ones as well, yeah? So, well done today guys. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to join the Dance is Dope family, hit that bell notification button to keep up to date with all the uploads. If there's anything I'm not doing, any of these moves that you really struggle with, or you just want to chat, leave a comment down below. I do get back to every single one of you guys. Click here to visit the channel, have a look what we've got going on. Click here to jump straight onto your next tutorial and keep learning. Thank you guys, I do appreciate you all. I'll catch you in the next one.